So what do you have to do as a Herbalife distributor? Welcome back to my channel, everybody. This is Jing here from Authentic Energy. I'm here to help you become body confident, happier, and healthier. If you want weekly tips on body confident lifestyle, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Now, last week, a lot of you have actually seen my video on how to become Herbalife member and what is a Herbalife Preferred membership, right? Now, today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the Herbalife Distributor, okay, which is the second type of the Herbalife membership. Okay, now before I get into today's content, I do have to mention this. Herbalife Distributor is not for everybody. Okay, so especially those people who are after quick cash, and if you're after, I don't know, like working a job and, you know, working for a boss, then, you know, Herbalife is not the type of business or job that actually pays you by the hours and like a full-time job. Okay, so Herbalife distributor entrepreneurship is more like, you know, you work for yourself. Okay, you are your own boss, and also how much you want to make and how much you want to get back is really dependent on how much effort you're willing to put in and how much time and how willing you are, you know, to do the work. Okay, so I do have to mention this, it is not for everyone. And also for those people who don't really like the network marketing business model, or, you know, just have something against it, it is not for you. Okay, so I do have to make it very clear, but while you're watching this video, I do recommend everyone to stay open-minded. Keep your mind open. When you have become a distributor, when you are a distributor, maybe some of you are watching, or maybe some of you, you know, you're still thinking about a business opportunity, you're not sure, you're still doing your research. That is completely okay, and I hope this video can actually shed some light and, you know, be valuable to all of you here. Okay, so as a Herbalife distributor, you only have 5 things to do. 5. And it is up to you how you arrange, how you want to manage, how to do these 5 things. Okay, only 5. Remember this. The first thing that you have to do is use the product. It's that simple, right? Because you're a distributor and you will have to recommend the product and also help other people, you know, get started on the nutrition and the health programs. So you need to know about the products, and obviously there's no better way than, you know, actually using and experiencing the products yourself, and obviously have your own product result, right? So the first thing we do is just use the product. It's so easy. All of us use our products every day, especially the Herbalife breakfast, right? Every morning. Like I said to you guys in other videos, since 2014, I've been having the Herbalife nutrition breakfast every single day. Okay, well, minus the days when I was on holiday. Okay, so the first thing is to use the product. And the second thing that we do as distributor is to wear the brand. Okay, so right now I am wearing the brand, and there are many ways you can wear the brand. You can have a Herbalife logo cap, you can wear the badges, you know, the badge that says get fit how, you know, ask me now, or lose weight how, ask me now. You know, all these different logos you can wear. Okay, and you can be creative. You know, I got Herbalife bags, I got different t-shirts that has a slogan, you know, 80% nutrition, 20% fitness, and 100% mindset, right? So you are essentially, when you wear the brand, right, you are the product of the product. How you present yourself, in public, how you live your lifestyle. Even if you don't have the logo on today, but just the way you show up is already the best representation of the brand. Okay, so remember this, you are your brand, so how you present yourself essentially is how you wear the Herbalife brand. Okay, so wear the brand. This is what we do. It's so easy, right? Now, the next thing, okay, the third thing that we do is share. Okay, so use, where, share. What do we share? Okay, basically we share with everyone, we share with people about, you know, our product experience, our healthy lifestyle, and, you know, all these things that we do as wellness coaches, as wellness enthusiasts, right? So basically, for those of you who are already distributors, or if you're new distributors, you don't know what to say, I'll tell you guys this, okay? When we do sharing, at least in my team, this is how I teach my team. When we do the sharing, we are not blasting. We're not blasting about how great the product is. How, you know, we don't hold the can and go buy this product, drink this shake. This is like what, year 2021. Okay, nobody wants to watch an infomercial channel. Nobody wants to come to your Instagram or your Facebook and see tons and tons of photos of ads of, you know, the products, right? It's a big turnoff. You try it. If you go to any page or any account and all you see is just like very commercial pictures and everybody's like pushing you to buy the product, you would not want to stay there. You probably don't even want to bother knowing this person. So when we are actually doing the sharing, okay, what we're doing is basically sharing about our lifestyle, our healthy, active lifestyle. Okay, it's that simple. You know, a lot of times I actually tell my team, you know what, you don't really have to mention the brand, because the way you are, how you live your healthy lifestyle, how you carry yourself, your mind, your body, your spirit, right? And all of these will already be the walking example of, you know, the Herbalife lifestyle that you're living in, without even you mentioning the fact that, oh, you know, I'm using Herbalife, you gotta buy it, you know? So, you know, this kind of stuff can be a little bit daunting for a lot of people if they never heard of it, if they're like, you know, heard all these mixed things about it, right? So when you share it, you know, you share your healthy, happy lifestyle with everyone. Like, I'll give you a quick example, right? When I was in Asia, you know, we had a fit club, and then we would have like fit camp, outdoor boot camp every week, and that's all I was talking to people about. I just tell everybody, you know, this is what we do. You know, we do the workout together, and then, you know, we drink the shakes together. We talk about healthy nutrition, and, you know, we help everybody, you know, get in the best shape of their life and improve their energy and health. You know, I just talk about things like that, right? You know, but I was happily sharing exactly what we do, but I was not trying to like push the products or, you know, like push the sales to people. So remember this, when we share, we genuinely share from our heart of our experience of, you know, how the products have, you know, improved our lifestyle, you know, the nutrition, you know, all these things that you do. Okay, so this is the sharing part. Okay, I know there's a lot of techniques and strategies in sharing and talking, and if anyone would like to know more about how to carry the conversations and how to talk to strangers or families or people about the lifestyle, do let me know in the comment and I'll make a separate video about it. Or you can check out some of my Herbalife training videos from the playlist, and I have covered some of the topics in there. Okay, so just remember, the third thing we do is to talk to people, to share about our own healthy lifestyle with everyone. Okay, and you can be creative with that. Okay, now the fourth thing we do, okay, this one I really love, is learn. We are always learning. We never stop learning as distributors. Okay, it doesn't matter what business you are in, you are always learning, because the more you learn, the more you develop yourself, right? The more that you improve your knowledge and your skills, the better you become as a coach, the better you become as a business person. So we're always learning. And in our team, in our community, we have weekly team training. Okay, so everybody attends the training every week. And even within the Herbalife organization, every season, like every quarter, we have like the success training seminars. And in different organizations, or depending on what city you're from, sometimes, you know, Herbalife, say if you're from Greece, Herbalife Greece will host like weekly, say, social media training, weekly like sales training, or weekly, you name it, like different types of product training, right? So it's really important for you to pick the right team to join, because a lot of the teams, like my team and also my big Herbalife family, every week we have different trainings for the members to attend, because, you know, if you stop learning, you stop earning. There's a saying, right? So remember this. And the fourth thing we do is we attend trainings and events, and we are always learning. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now lastly, the last thing that we do in the equation, the fifth thing, is personal development. We are always working on ourselves. So this is the big part which I've mentioned, that inside Herbalife, you know, the company is very big on grooming everybody to be better human beings. We have a saying, you know, human life before Herbalife. Okay, your life as a human is way more important than Herbalife the business. So the first thing you got to do, the priority, is to become a better human first. Okay, understand about your life, understand about other humans. Okay, and take care of other humans. Right, when you take care of others, the business will take care of itself. So this is something that we always learn. And so remember this, the fifth thing that we do is we're always learning, always upgrading ourselves. Okay, so this is actually my favorite part. So that's it. These are the 5 things that we have to do as a Herbalife distributor. You use the product, okay, you wear the brand, you share, you talk to people about your healthy, active lifestyle. Okay, you attend the training, attend the event to learn more about products, get more knowledge, get more skills, always learning. And the 5th thing that we do is work on yourself. Personal development, always working on yourself. So you can see that this is a very holistic system, where you are developing yourself inside out, head to toe, not just as a business person, but as a wholesome human being. So if you ask me, would I recommend becoming a Herbalife distributor to anybody? Whether if you're an existing Herbalife member or a customer who may be looking into the potential of doing Herbalife as a business, I will tell you this, okay? I would recommend to you only if you're open to the opportunity of trying something new, trying something new to earn that extra income, whether if you want to do a part-time or if you want to turn it into a full-time career, right? If you're willing to try it, yes, I'll recommend it to you. It is a great way, it is a great platform for you to earn extra income, okay? Earn extra income by living a healthy lifestyle, okay, using the top line of the nutrition products, and also at the same time for you to help other people become healthier and happier through the platform of Herbalife Nutrition. So it is a great platform for you and your family and everyone else around you to stay in a healthy lifestyle, and you earn money from that. Okay, so I usually say to people, it's about, the more people you help, the more, you earn, right? So it is a very product result and customer centric business. Okay, so that's something that I would say. And also secondly, this is based on my personal experience. Herbalife is a great personal development platform. So that was actually one of the reasons why I decided to join the business. If you want to know my full story, you can check out this video right here, which I talk about why did I decide to join Herbalife business 7 years ago. And it's a great platform to develop yourself, for you to learn a lot about yourself, for you to elevate yourself, right? And whether if it's to like transform your mindset, transform your, basically your values, or even just for you to elevate all over, like in all areas of life, Herbalife is a great platform. Because not only that, in Herbalife, you learn about health and nutrition, but also in Herbalife, you learn a lot about how to develop yourself. So the company actually has put a lot of emphasis and a lot of training to groom all the distributors to become better people. We have a famous saying by, the famous philosopher Jim Rohn. He said that for things to change, you have to change. So for anyone that want to have better business, better health, better relationships, better family, whatever you name it, you gotta change, right? You gotta become better first. When you become better, your business becomes better. Okay, so that is something that Herbalife reminds us every day, and I really love that. And lastly, there's infinite possibilities here with Herbalife Nutrition as a business. You're able to make the business in any ways that you like, right? You can be creative, you can be flexible with the way that you create the business. Really, there are no any like rigid rules of how you should be doing the business. You are basically your boss, so you can do the business online or you can do the business offline, and that's the beauty of being a Herbalife distributor. And that is one of the reasons why I love it, and I would recommend it to people. Okay, but then again, it is not for everyone. And so if any of you guys still have any questions about Herbalife distributor, what is it like being a distributor, or if you are still thinking about joining the business, I actually have a information webinar, a Herbalife business information webinar coming up this Saturday, August 28th. Okay, so if you guys are interested to, join my team or still curious about the Herbalife business opportunity, I welcome you all to join the information webinar. It's free, it's open to all, and all you need to do is click on the link below. Okay, I'll put the link in the description. Click on it and basically register yourself and join the Zoom meeting with us. Okay, so in the information webinar, I'll be explaining in detail about, exactly how do you become distributor, what does it involve, and especially if you still need more information, okay, I welcome you all to join. Okay, so I hope this video has become a great value to all of you or some of you. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up or maybe share it with other people that you know. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm here every week to give you the best tips on body confident lifestyle. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode, and I'll see you next time. Bye.